Hello, my name is Hải Nam. Today I will read a book. Don't hiccups. Don't hiccup. Don't enter a competition. She will sing on television. Hic, hic, hic. Dance is nervous. Oh no! I can't sing. I have hiccups. Dawn's mother give her a scare. Surprise! Hic, hic. Dawn still has hiccups. Put your finger in your ears. Hic. But Dawn still hiccups. But Dawn still has hiccups. Suck on a slice of lemon. But Dawn still hiccups. But Dawn still has hiccups. A nurse give Dawn a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Dawn hiccup go. She is happy. She comb her hair.
Cups.
The music plays. She sings her song. It's beautiful. The crowd shout and cheers. Thank you for listening and goodbye.